That there is a break point. And I got to the point to where I then had a very normal, very good chiropractic adjustment, and the artery in my left side of my neck split, and it was because of all of the strain, the pressure. The arteries wouldn't stretch a normal distance, all that kind of stuff, and it caused a small blood clot, but it shut the flap in there, shut off the blood to the left side of my brain. The right side of my face shuts off, my whole body shuts off, and I have a TIA stroke from a vertebral artery dissection. And they take me to the hospital.